Viewers, as Prime Minister Modi's "Ek hai to safe hai" hits home in Maharashtra after Haryana, the opposition has once again attacked Hindu faith, reducing Sanatan Dharm to a political tool to consolidate its vote bank. Now, citing the attack on minor boys of the minority community in Ratlam, PDP leader and Mehbooba Mufti's daughter Iltija Mufti deemed Hindutva a disease that has sullied the name of a god. In the post on social media, she has alleged that Lord Ram will hang his head in shame to see crimes being perpetuated in his name. BJP has hit out at Mufti, alleging that the PDP is trying to appease terrorists by making such statements, and retorted that the Mufti family is like a disease.
See, people like Iltija Mufti and this whole Mufti family, they are themselves a disease. Disease for this country, disease for Jammu and Kashmir. And let me tell them, if you consider Hindutva a disease, please stay away from Hindutva and refrain from making comments. Because if this disease spreads, who knows, you will not be saved.
मुफ्ती परिवार के विषय में हम सब लोग जानते हैं और देश में हिंदुओं के प्रति उनका जो भाव है ये किसी से छुपा हुआ नहीं है। इसलिए इल्तिजा मुफ्ती क्या कहती हैं उसके कोई मायने नहीं है। सनातन इस देश की आत्मा है, सनातन इस देश के प्राण है। सनातन मजबूत है तो हिंदुस्तान मजबूत।
महबूबा मुफ्ती हिंदुओं से नफरत करती है, उनकी बेटी हिंदुओं से नफरत करती है और ये सब उस इंडी अलायंस का हिस्सा है जो हिंदुओं से घृणा करते हैं, जिन्होंने महाराष्ट्र के अंदर वोट जिहाद करने का प्रयास किया और अब जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर जब जम्मू कश्मीर की राष्ट्र प्रथम अवाम ने इनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया, जब राष्ट्रभक्त अवाम ने महबूबा मुफ्ती उनकी बेटी को चुनाव हरा दिया, तो अब ये तुष्टीकरण के लिए आतंकवादियों को समर्थन करने के लिए देश की मूल धारा हिंदुत्व के खिलाफ बयान दे रहे हैं।
Now, amid the outrage, Iltija Mufti remains defiant. She has again posted on social media platform claiming that Hinduism today is being abused to lynch and persecute minorities, and has said that one must call spade a spade. VHP too has hit out at Iltija Mufti, alleging that the Sanatan slander is the only policy of the opposition to launch new leaders, while former Congress leader Pramod Krishnam questioned why there is so much hatred in the opposition's मोहब्बत की दुकान।
जहां हिंसा है वहां हिंदुत्व नहीं है, लेकिन अफसोस की बात यह है कि ये जितने मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलने वाले नेता हैं, इनमें इतनी नफरत आती कहां से है? इल्तिजा मुफ्ती का सवाल नहीं है, सवाल ये है कि क्या अभी भी आप अपने आप को पाकिस्तान से जोड़ के देखना चाहते हैं? नजरिया बदलो, नजारा बदल जाएगा।
विपक्ष के नेताओं को जब अपना कोई नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना होता है, यानी अपने शहजादे या शहजादी को राजनीति में उतारना पड़ता है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ इस भारतीय संस्कृति, भारतीय जीवन मूल्यों और भारतीय परंपराओं के साथ साथ आस्था के केंद्र और आध्यात्म के केंद्रों पर हमला करना उनके लिए शायद नियति बन जाती है। शर्म आनी चाहिए। श्री राम के बारे में इस तरह की बातें भारत के अंदर भारतीय सहन कर सकता है, क्योंकि हम सर्तन से जुदा की गैंग नहीं चलाते।
On the other hand, the opposition has alleged that it is the centre that is playing communal politics, and that BJP's politics in the name of Ram has been rejected in Ayodhya too. Listen in.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये हिंदुत्व या धर्म पर आधारित राजनीति नहीं चलेगी। इस बात को हमारे मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम की धरती अयोध्या के फैजाबाद देवतुल्य मतदाताओं ने साबित कर दिया है कि अब इस देश में धर्म के आधारित राजनीति नहीं चलेगी।
Cruelties or practice in the name of religion not only in India, but elsewhere also. That doesn't mean that the entire religion or particular religion is to be blamed. There are fringe elements, definitely. And unfortunately, the government of the day and its political parties, they are spreading such communal hatred.
And viewers, let's now tell you that how many other leaders in the past have also used similar kind of statements. The question that needs to be asked is if Hindu Astha is being ridiculed to score brownie points again and again. Let's take you through some of the comments that have been made on Sanatan in the recent past. Hindutva, a disease, sullied God's name. We heard Iltija Mufti, the PDP leader, saying this. Remember, earlier, Udayanidhi Stalin, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, had also said, need to eradicate Sanatan Dharm, which is like dengue and malaria. Then Sanatan Dharm is like HIV and leprosy, a comment made by A. Raja, a DMK MP. And then we had another Neta saying, doesn't treat you like humans as good as a disease. That was Priyank Kharge of the Congress party. Then Swami Prasad Maurya of Samajwadi Party had said, Brahmanism, root of all disparity, Hinduism, a hoax. And then we had Chandra Shekhar from the RJD saying that Ramcharitmanas is a book that spreads hate. No difference between Matadhish and Mafia. That's what Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, said recently. And we will fight against Shakti. That was the comment by Rahul Gandhi, the Congress member of parliament. And then Shashi Tharoor, another member of parliament from the Congress party, had said, BJP has started Taliban in Hinduism. Let's now go across to my guest joining us on this debate this evening. We have R.S. Pathania, MLA, JNK, BJP. We have Amit Raina, who is an activist, live with us, and also Abid Mir Magami, who is leader of the Congress party. Good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. Abid Mir Magami, I want to begin this discussion with you. Do you endorse what Iltija Mufti has said? Hindutva is a disease afflicting millions?
नॉट एट ऑल। महबूबा मुफ्ती की बेटी ने जो ये बात की है, ये बात बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं है और हम इसको एंडोर्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेंगे।
लेकिन पीडीपी की बात की जाए, पीडीपी की बात की जाए, जी एक मिनट, मेरा सवाल पूरा आप सुन लीजिए। पीडीपी की बात की जाए तो पीडीपी एक तरह से इंडिया ब्लॉक का मेंबर भी है, जिसमें कांग्रेस पार्टी भी है और भी तमाम पार्टीज हैं ऑपोजिशन की। तो आपको नहीं लगता कि कुछ एक्शन लिया जाना चाहिए, कुछ उन्हें कहा जाना चाहिए, अगर आप इसे एंडोर्स नहीं करते हैं, कि वो माफी मांगे या कंडेम करें?
देश में कानून है और देश कानून से चलता है। ये वही पीडीपी है जिसने 14 में बीजेपी के साथ हाथ मिलाया था। ये वही पीडीपी है जब वीपी सिंह के सरकार में मुफ्ती सईद साहब होम मिनिस्टर रहे थे, जिसको सपोर्ट बीजेपी कर रही थी। मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं लगता है पीडीपी और बीजेपी में। ये दोनों पार्टियां एक ही काम करती है, चाहे हिंदू और मुस्लिम में जो एकता है उसको ठेस पहुंचाती है। दोनों पार्टियों का एक ही काम है, मजहब के नाम पे वोट हासिल करना है, और ये दोनों एक ही ट्रैक पे चल रहे हैं। जो काम बीजेपी कर रही है वही काम पीडीपी भी कर रही है।
ओके, आरएस पठानिया, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
I think I'm audible.
Yes.
First of all, a very good evening to everybody on board. And in one simple term, she should be hanged by the nearest tree. She needs to be hauled. The law of the land should take its own course. So far as the video is concerned, its veracity is concerned, I don't endorse what is being done in that video. That is purely impermissible, illegal, and unconstitutional. With due regard and due respect and due sensitivity to it, Bharat is a country where right to freedom of religion is each and everybody's fundamental right. So you are nobody to make such unfounded and blasphemous comments. Do you understand what is Hindutva? Do you understand where you are standing and where you are breathing and going on? Do you understand what is the history of Hindustan or India. So you are perfectly and you are intentionally, you want to defy the idea of Hindustan just to gain small, cheap popularity, just to stoke fires of communalism and fires of hatred. You want to disturb the stream of peace, the stream of mutual brotherhood. So this is really blasphemy. I need to say the law friends should take a sound course. This needs to be condemned, and strictest punishment should be done, irrespective of whoever she is, whatever party she belongs.
You're also condemning it. Congress party is also not endorsing it. But Mr. Patane, I also want you to respond to what was said by the representative of the Congress party on this debate earlier, Abid Mir Magami, who said that it was the BJP that formed an alliance with a party like PDP in the past in J&K.
You see, madam, we never, neither we endorse the ideology, nor we endorse the thought point, nor we endorse such fishy terrors, such mischievous, and I use the word such blasphemous comments upon uttered by each and everybody, may he be belonging to any political party. No, that's not the case. Bharatiya Janata Party had an agenda of alliance with regard to common working groups. That government was virtually brought down by Bharatiya Janata Party itself. That's one part of the affair. But secondly, my point remains, each and everybody across certain political parties, they should come out. And this is the same lobby which they used that Hinduism is a virus, Hinduism is corona. It started in South. It started in certain northeast states and Assam also. This is what it is happening in Bangladesh also. This is what it is happening in Afghanistan and Pakistan also. So my submission remains that to such people, we need to stand tall. We need to stand bold, and we need to protect the cultural, the religious diversity of India. We need to protect the right to freedom of speech. We need to protect this constitution. My question to those people who are showing and brandishing the constitution of India, we need to protect the ideals. And
I got your point. Amit Raina, now the question is, do you think Sanatan perhaps has become an easy target? It's very easy to target it. It's easy to practice soft Hindutva when it suits political parties and start targeting it when it suits them.
See, yesterday I saw two videos which were quite disturbing. One came from Ratlam, another came from Kashmir. And what worries me more is the video from Kashmir, because the muftis hold a significant influence over the valley. And such a hatred towards Sanatan, such a hatred towards Hinduism, although it's a part of her DNA, her grandfather was known to orchestrate one of the biggest raids in '86. Her father was responsible for the grandfather was responsible for the ethnic cleansing of Kashmiri Hindus. Her mother openly supports terrorists of Kashmir who are responsible for the genocide of Hindus. But given that she was a younger breed, we expected more sane comments from her. And they get away with it because the governments of the day do not act. If I make a comment similar about another god, whether he was hanging his head in shame in what happened in 1990, probably tomorrow morning I will have a fatwa, Sar Tan Se Juda. Because they get away with it, while Pathania Saab may say the rule of the law must take its own course. It's their government. It's the LG administration. The police, the law and order is with the LG. Let them go and file an FIR. And if they are not willing to go and file an FIR, I will file an FIR tomorrow morning against Iltija Mufti, because what she has said is derogatory and is not acceptable. It has become a practice across the country to abuse Hindus, to make derogatory remarks against Hinduism, and they get away with it because no one acts against them. The government of the day, any state or the center refuses to act. I don't know why. Does it help them politically? Does it, or they do not want to go beyond rhetoric? I don't know, but I think it is time that someone needs to get up and stop this nonsense which is happening against the Hindus and Sanatanis.
Okay, so you are demanding action in this particular case against Iltija Mufti for what she has said. Now, going back to Abid Mir Magami, the question still remains, Magami ji, कि आप यहाँ पर तो इसे endorse नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ अगर हम पॉलिटिक्स की बात करें तो इंडिया ब्लॉक में, इंडिया अलायंस जो है, उसमें तो पीडीपी आपके पार्टनर है. तो अगर वही मैं सवाल पहले भी पूछ रही थी, जब सूट करता है तो आप सनातन पे क्वेश्चन उठाएंगे और जब आपको नहीं सूट करता तो टारगेट करेंगे.
पार्टनर तो मैंने पहले ही बोला, पार्टनर का मतलब ये तो नहीं है कोई कुछ भी करे तो पार्टी उसको एंडोर्स करेगी.
नहीं, आप एक ग्रुप का हिस्सा है, आप एक पर्टिकुलर अलायंस को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, आप उसमें एक साथ में मिलकर फाइट कर रहे हैं नेशनल लेवल पर बीजेपी के खिलाफ, तो आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि पार्टनर होने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता?
बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ता है। जब बीजेपी सरकार में थी उनके साथ, जब इनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता तो हमें क्यों फर्क पड़ेगा?
नहीं, बट बीजेपी की सरकार तो पहले थी ना, उसका जवाब भी हमने ले लिया। पर आबिद मीर जी, सवाल अभी ये है कि आज की डेट में, आज अगर हम पीडीपी की बात करें तो पीडीपी ने भले ही एनसी और कांग्रेस के साथ इलेक्शन न लड़े हो जम्मू और कश्मीर में, लेकिन इंडिया ब्लॉक में तो आपके पार्टनर है, तो आप निकाल दीजिए पीडीपी को बाहर वहां से।
मुझे आप बताइए, यहां पर पूरा होम एलजी के अंडर पे है, एलजी के अंडर में आता है, तो अभी तक एलजी साहब ने क्यों एक्शन नहीं ली?
अब तो सरकार बन गई है जम्मू और कश्मीर में, उमर अब्दुल्ला चीफ मिनिस्टर है, कांग्रेस पार्टी के पार्टनर है नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, तो अब आप क्या रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि इस मामले में एक्शन होना चाहिए?
बिल्कुल भी किसी को भी कोई हक नहीं किसी की भी रिलीजन पे ऊपर उंगली उठाए। अगर रतलाम में गलती हुई है, उन बच्चों के साथ ज्यादती हुई है, किसी एक व्यक्ति ने किया, उसके लिए आप पूरे रिलीजन को इन्वॉल्व नहीं कर सकते।
तो जैसे कि अमित रैना जी बता रहे थे अभी शो पे कि उनके खिलाफ एक्शन लिया जाना चाहिए, तो क्या आप एनसी के थ्रू इस मामले पर कुछ कार्यवाही करने की बात करेंगे?
मैं तो कहता हूं कि ये यहाँ जी लास्ट सारा जो होम है वो एलजी के अंडर में आता है। एलजी साहब को फौरन एक्शन लेनी चाहिए। एलजी साहब ने अभी तक, अगर कल ये मामला हुआ है, कल महबूबा मुफ्ती जी की बेटी ने कुछ कहा है, अभी तक तो 14 घंटे हो गए, क्यों एक्शन नहीं ली एलजी साहब ने? और अभी कश्मीर
आरएस पठानिया, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड।
My very sweet and simple question to each and everybody, not a question of just dilly-dallying, not a question of avoiding the hard truth. Why differences between Iltija Mufti and Nupur Sharma? Why shouldn't she be done another Nupur Sharma? She made a certain derogatory comment against a particular religion, which we condemn, each and everybody condemns. Why there's difference between? We need to upgrade and update ourselves. The civil society needs to rise up, and there needs to be consensus. Let everybody stay on board that why not strictest action against so and so, madam. I don't want to reiterate her name on this very reputed national channel. May she be a female, may she be representing a particular political party, may she be a candidate of a particular political party, may she be daughter of somebody or granddaughter of somebody, she needs to be taken up task.
But Mr. Patania, that's exactly what we are asking you. That's exactly what Mr. Magami said, because I asked him that now Jammu and Kashmir has got a government also. Umar Abdullah is the chief minister. Will some action be taken? Will Congress party ask NC to take some action against this kind of a comment that has been made by Iltija Mufti? He said LG is there. He should be taking action in this particular case. It's been over 24 hours and now you're also passing the buck. I mean, the question is, what is really happening? Both of you are not endorsing these comments. Both of you want law to take its own course. But the question is, who will initiate, this whole thing?
We will initiate, madam. Now, I am not the spokesperson for the Jammu and Kashmir Sarkar or LG or the Congress dispensation, but as a spokesperson of the political party, we will initiate, and certainly we will initiate, we will fight till the last, and we will see to it that law of the land finds its course. Such mischievous, such provocative, such impermissible, and I earlier said blasphemous comments need to be condemned. The culprits need to be taken to task. Those people who want to reincarnate Bangladesh, those who want to reincarnate the certain developments in Burma or even in Pakistan or in Afghanistan, they need to be plugged. This is the same offshoot of that toolkit gang, that Tukde gang, and that I earlier said what some of the chief minister said in Tamil Nadu against certain wayward and offside comments against the Sanatana Dharma. So this is most reprehensible, most irresponsible. One and each and everybody, cutting off the political parties, we need to be united and we need to fight against it. India is a plural country. India,
ओके ओके आबिद मीर मगामी नाउ एक सवाल ये भी खड़ा होता है कि जैसे मैं पहले भी डिस्कशन में अभी बात कर रही थी कि पहली बार नहीं हुआ है किसी ने इस तरह की बात की हो हिंदुत्व को लेकर। इससे पहले हमने देखा है कि जो उदयनिधि स्टालिन है तमिलनाडु के डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर, वो भी कई बार खबरों में रहे हैं। उनके कमेंट्स को लेकर उन्होंने कहा था नीड टू इरेडिकेट सनातन धर्म लाइक डेंगी मलेरिया। उसके अलावा ए राजा डीएमके के ही एमपी है जिनका कहना था कि सनातन धर्म जो है HIV लेप्रोसी की तरह है। तो पहले नेता नहीं है या पहली पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं है जो इंडिया ब्लॉक की मेंबर है जिसने सनातन धर्म को, हिंदुत्व को इस तरह से की बात की हो या किसी डिसीज से कंपेयर किया हो। तो आप यहां पर बात कर रहे हैं पीडीपी की। पीडीपी आपने बोला कि पीडीपी का पहले गठबंधन रहा था बीजेपी के साथ में, लेकिन जो आपके बाकी के पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं जो इंडिया ब्लॉक के बहुत ही थिक मेंबर्स हैं इंडिया ब्लॉक के, जैसे डीएमके हो गया या फिर कांग्रेस के भी कई नेता हैं जो लगातार इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स लाते रहते हैं, उनके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
मैं तो आपको पहले ही कह चुका हूं, पार्टी बिल्कुल भी इस तरह के कमेंट को एंडोर्स नहीं करती है
जी।
किसी भी रिलीजन के सेंटिमेंट को हर्ट बिल्कुल भी हम उसके साथ नहीं है।
लेकिन आप कह रहे हैं ना नेशनल लेवल पे जो लीडर्स हैं वो तो ऐसा नहीं कहते हैं।
कोई भी व्यक्ति हो किसी भी रिलीजन पे उंगली उठाए, हम उसको बिल्कुल भी एंडोर्स नहीं कर रहे। और बीजेपी के एमएलए साहब को तो 24 घंटे का वेट क्यों करना पड़ा? मुझे आप बताइए, इन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक? ये तो नेशनल टीवी पे बोल रहे हैं हम कार्रवाई करेंगे, तो अभी तक ये सो रहे थे, फिर अभी तक क्यों एक्शन नहीं लिया?
ओके,
अभी तक क्यों नहीं लिया?
नहीं, लेकिन आप मेरे सवाल का भी जवाब दीजिए ना पहले कि नेशनल लेवल पे तो लीडर्स इस तरह से कंडेम नहीं करते हैं। आप तो कह रहे हैं कि आप इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स को एंडोर्स नहीं करते हैं। नेशनल लेवल पे तो कोई कंडेम नहीं करता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। राहुल गांधी की तरफ से तो कोई ट्वीट नहीं आया है कि वी डोंट एंडोर्स दिस काइंड ऑफ अ स्टेटमेंट।
बिल्कुल, मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं पार्टी को, तो मैं कंडेम कर रहा हूं, ये पूरी पार्टी की तरफ से।
ओके, आरएस पठानिया।
You see, India and particularly Jammu and Kashmir has been taken for a ride. What about we? About where do we stand? What we need to do? I'll invoke the proverbial Mark Twain that the particular day when a person is born and a particular day and a time when he comes to understand for what he is born. So first of all, we are all Indians. We need to understand. We need to appreciate. We need to propagate. We need to project, and we need to protect and preserve the ethos and the principles and the ideals for which the idea of India stands for which the Indian Constitution stands for which the secular, the mutual brotherhood, the fabric of India stands for.
Okay.
So we need to be responsible. This is a cheap tactic by a member of a political party which has lost its base, which has.
So you're calling it a cheap tactic by member of a political party, a prominent one in Jammu and Kashmir, the daughter of PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti. Last comments, Amit Raina, closing comments. I know you wanted to make a point. Go ahead, please.
No, I am only saying that apart from rhetoric, I do not see both political parties doing anything beyond this. And this Iltija has not said this first time.
Yes.
She has been a culprit. She has been a repeat offender, making derogatory statements against India, making derogatory statements against Hinduism, and this is a trait. And if we are talking about what happened in Tamil Nadu, what is happening across country, the problem is, I again repeat, is that while freedom of speech is welcome, but there has to be a limit, and the Supreme Court in its multiple judgments has said that it cannot be at the cost of hurting the sentiments of others. And had the similar comment come from an Hindu against another religion, probably that guy would have been today hiding somewhere trying to save himself and his family. So I think the leaders need to stop. They need to not test the patience of Hindus anymore, because if something untowardly happens tomorrow towards her, which I condemn and I hope does not happen, but then she herself is asking for it. This is very unfair, unfortunate.
Okay.
And remember, when the government is trying to get back Hindus back to Kashmir, such statements create again a fear amongst the Hindus who want to go back in the van.
All right, that's your point of view. Thank you very much, Amit Raida, R.S. Pathania, as well as Abid Mir Magami for joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We'll see how the PDP really now responds to this, because we haven't heard any comment coming in from Mehbooba Mufti as well on this.